Just a short video of my Hyundai Veracruz. It's a 2011. Changing the alternator. First step, disconnect your negative battery. You can unclip all the wire harness to your fan. Take off the harness that's attached right here on your valve cover gasket, which is all this, just to get it out of the way. There's a couple of brackets here. Just want to point out, I didn't have to take out the oil dipstick here, or this bracket right here. I was able to squeeze the fan out without taking that out. It's a little tight, you're gonna have to pull back on this hose, but it's doable, so you don't have to go crazy with these brackets here. And of course, once you get all those wires out of the way, which was a pain in the ass, to get out that that alternator, it's 2 bolts, one on top here and one on the bottom, and it's pretty simple, straightforward. Once you get that fan out, you can pull it straight out. There's no problem. Make sure you clean up everything while you're there. All the oil that's been dripping from your valve cover, of course, that's the problem on these vehicles. Once you get it all in there, 2 bolts, put all your wire harness back. Now, in order to get that bottom bolt off, of course, you got to take off that serpentine belt on the bottom. You got to take off that cover, take off the tension. I would recommend get something like this, a nice long breaker bar. It makes the job so much easier for you to take the tension off while you take off that belt. And then while you have it off, you might as well replace it as well. Clean up all the pulleys, make sure everything is clean. Clean up all the debris and the oil that's been leaking. And that should be it. They say it's about an hour, 2 hours. I mean, I'm already an hour and a half into it. I still got to put the belt and put all the wires and the fan back in. I would say 2 to 2.5, 3 hours tops. You know, if you're mechanically inclined, you got all the tools, you should be able to do this with no problem. It just takes time, patience, but it's doable. I hope this gives you a little insight of what has to be done and other ways of going around doing extra work. But if you don't feel comfortable taking it out with all those things in the way, you can move them out. It just takes a little bit more time. Hope this video helps you out. I thank all those other guys that did videos before me, and I appreciate it. Thanks, YouTubers, for watching.